wanna know, can you help me? I love the day, but take me to the river, got me in the water.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz, Hostone Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 43 degrees and cloudy here in the valley on this Tuesday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Well, of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? See me do something? Well, welcome in. On today's food review video, I will be trying the Skwinkles Rellenos pineapple flavored hot candy strips with tamarind flavored filling, artificially flavored. Now, if you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. I bought this 0.92 ounce package online from the vat19.com website over a month ago for $1.25. Now, you know the routine, you know what I'm going to say. Full disclosure, VAT19 is not a sponsor of this video. Mars Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. The Celeste Corporation is not a sponsor of this video. And Allison Transportation Systems is not a sponsor of this video. There, got that out of the way. Whoa. This particular package has an expiration date of July 8th, 2026. I love the packaging style and the color, the font. It's bold, catches my eye. I figured I'd give these a try. I should say, full disclosure, I've had other Lucas related products before. Now it's time for the pineapple. Whoa. Yeah. Nice, pleasant pineapple aroma. Also smells a little spicy from the tamarind. Chili pepper. Woo. Whoa. Yep. Cheers, everybody. Ooh. Nice, satisfying initial bite. Really chewy. Sticks to the teeth. Pleasant pineapple flavor profile from start to finish. And meshes well with the tamarind. Ooh, it's getting a little spicy there at the end from the chili powder coating. Has a nice little kick to it. It'll wake up your taste buds a little bit. I appreciate the balance between the spice and the sweet. The pineapple meshes well with the tamarind and the chili powder. It's a nice, satisfying, chewy texture. In terms of the texture, it reminds me of a mix between the Albanese brand gummy bears, the Haribo brand gummy bears, and the Sour Patch Kids. So, kind of in that realm of chewiness, at least this one was. I also appreciate that there's 4 separate strips that I could easily pull apart. I have one now. I could save one for later. It's vibrant, it's fresh, not stale at all. The pineapple tastes like real pineapple. No weird medicinal or metallic aftertaste. A little bit of zest, a little bit of zing. The spice isn't overwhelming. I don't need to go get something to drink. My mouth isn't burning compared to other products I've had that had chili powder. Tamarind, it's a little tart. The pineapple is really sweet. It's well balanced. I could see giving this as stocking stuffers or give them out at a kid's birthday party. What a treat. I just can't get enough. It's a nice snack size treat and also suitable for sharing if you're so inclined to do so. Oh, there you go. It's sweet, not overpowering. It's a little spicy, not overwhelming. It's a good centered candy. Now, with all that being said, do I recommend this? Yes. Yes, I do. Would I have it again given the opportunity? Yes. Yes, I would. I like pineapple. I like this. I like things a little spicy, and this was a little spicy. It's all nice, sweet, with heat together. Tamarind and chili powder. Yep. Pineapple. Yep. It's fresh. Yep. With that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Skwinkles Rellenos pineapple flavored hot candy strips. I'll give this a solid 9.1275. So satisfying. So delectable. Well, there you go. Chili powder time, pineapple time together. There you go. What a treat. Not greasy at all. Just a nice little bit of spice. Oh, thanks everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. I'm Fritz Fritz. Ow. Ow. Yep.
Soul fight.
Stones? Large stones.
Sapphire, guys.
Yeah.
My birthstone.
Thanks, Shayne! Oh, thanks! Thanks, bud! Sapphire, guys! If this is like beef cookie, I'm out.
All right, well, get ready to munch this beef cookie. This final, I'm so sorry. I'm so